know life is busy. You have a million things to get done. And now, finding a job is your #1 priority. The process of seeking and applying for jobs can be difficult, especially when searching on your own. At CTR Group, we're here to help. We're professionals equipped and ready to assist you in exploring your world of opportunity and taking the right strides toward the new job. With over 30 years' experience in recruiting, staffing, and employment services, we've helped thousands of people find excellent opportunities, and yes, you can be next. At CTR, we're not just about jobs. We are about people.